The change that I can make in this year as Miss DC is to teach people how to step in and save a life. And so programs like what we're doing today with MedStar, teaching that hands-only CPR, familiarizing our community with an AED, that's a tangible way that we can all make a difference.
It's that easy.
Fortunately, guidelines have been updated and mouth-to-mouth is no longer necessary. In fact, rescue breaths are actually contraindicated because they interrupt CPR and compressions to a patient.
We've got really personal reasons why this stuff is important to us, but the Premier League has given us a platform, a megaphone to talk about this because suddenly people are listening.
Just think of all the lives out there that can be saved if everyone in the community feels comfortable doing CPR.
When I was 16 years old, I had my first heart attack. I found that I'm really not alone in this issue, and I found that heart disease and heart issues affect many, many people. It's the #1 killer of Washingtonians and Americans nationwide. People are more likely to step in and save a life if they feel like they can do it, if they feel like they're comfortable and they're confident in that. And so working with MedStar this year to teach people hands-only CPR and how to use an AED, because we can all be lifesavers and we can all step in a cardiac event.